Today we are making juicy and tender chicken breast. For the marinade we need yogurt or buttermilk as a base. Add spices that you like. I use salt, garlic powder, oregano, paprika powder and chili flakes. 1 teaspoon of each to keep it simple. Mix it together and put it aside. Now put a wet kitchen towel under your cutting board so it doesn't wobble. Lay plastic wrap on your board before placing your chicken breast on it, so you don't have to clean your board afterward. Cut into the thick parts of your chicken breast. I messed up there, that's going to turn into a nugget. Cover it with a plastic wrap and pound the chicken until you feel that it's about the same thickness in all areas. At this point you could also use a pan if you don't have a meat mallet. Place your chicken in the marinade and massage it until everything is well coated. The benefit of using yogurt or buttermilk is that the lactic acid bacteria makes the chicken tender. Cover it with the plastic wrap that we've used earlier and put it in a refrigerator. The next day, or when you've lost patience, prepare a plate with flour. And in another deep plate, crack an egg, add salt and a splash of milk, and swirl it until it's well combined. The third plate we fill with panko. I love panko, it's really the best breadcrumb. Now we take the chicken out of the fridge. Please don't judge my style, I'm obviously a German guy. Roll your chicken in the flour until every part is well coated. The flour seals the chicken breast so that the juices can't escape. At this point we could fry it directly, but I love the panko crust, so I go on. So I flip it in the egg and cover it with the breadcrumbs. You can also freeze it if you want, just cover it in plastic wrap and place it in the freezer for later use. Now let's fry that thing. Add some oil in a pot or a pan and heat it up. When you see small bubbles on a toothpick, you'll know the oil is hot enough. Now fry your chicken on each side for 2 to 3 minutes or until it's golden brown. You could also use an air fryer if you're counting calories, but I don't have one and I don't count calories. And voila, you're done. Look at how juicy it is. Please like and subscribe.